How to see who likes your YouTube video. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can see the people that have liked your video. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your YouTube application and get logged into your YouTube account. Then tap on Use section on your bottom right. As you do so, you will see your username and your profile. Tap on View Channel. Now as you do so, you will see this chart-like option just beside Manage Videos. Tap onto it. And if you have uploaded any videos in your YouTube channel, you will see all of your analytics. And at this page, you will be able to see the age, the demographic, and the geographic regions of your audience. And you cannot exactly see who you liked your videos. However, you can still access some data out of it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.